Ready, start. This appeal by special leave is directed against the judgment and order dated 27/6/2014 in FAO number 36 of 2010, whereby the High Court of Delhi at New Delhi has dismissed the appeal preferred by the present appellant and has affirmed the judgment and order dated 23/11/2009 as passed by the additional district judge, West District 30 Hazari Courts, Delhi in probate case number 465 of 2006, resulting in rejection of the appellant's prayer for grant of probate in relation to the will dated 20/5/2003, said to have been executed by the mother of the contesting parties, full stop. The prayer of the appellant for grant of probate in relation to the will in question has been declined concurrently by the trial court and by the High Court, essentially after finding several unexplained suspicious circumstances surrounding the will in question, full stop, para. Being aggrieved, the petitioner appellant, who was appointed as the executor of the will in question and who was, admittedly, the major beneficiary thereunder, has preferred this appeal while maintaining that execution of will by the testatrix with due compliance of all the requirements of law has been clearly established on record, and there has not been any such suspicious circumstance which might operate against the genuineness of the will in question, full stop. Therefore, essentially the point of determination in this appeal is as to whether the trial court and the High Court were justified in declining to grant probate in relation to the will dated 20/5/2003 as prayed for, full stop. For comprehension of the subject matter and for effective determination of the questions raised in this appeal, we may take note of the principal parties and the witnesses involved in the matter with their respective roles of infra, full stop, para. The appellant Srimati Kavita Kanwar, she is the younger daughter of the testatrix, full stop. She is shown as the executor of the will in question and she is the major beneficiary thereunder, though with certain conditions, full stop. She had filed the petition seeking probate that has been declined by the trial court and the High Court, full stop. Respondent number 1, Srimati Pamela Mehta. She is the elder and widow daughter of the testatrix, full stop. The conditions stated in the contested will are purportedly aimed at making a provision for her residence, full stop. Initially, she did not file the written statement of contest, but at the latter stage of proceedings and during the evidence of the appellant, she attempted to file her written statement, full stop. However, the prayer so made by her was declined by the trial court, full stop. Nevertheless, she has continuously contested the matter, as shall be noticed thereafter, full stop. Respondent number 2, Colonel retired Prithvi Raj, he is the son of the testatrix, full stop. By way of bequest in the will in question, he has been given credit balance lying in the bank account of the testatrix, but with clarification that he shall not inherit any portion of the immovable assets of testatrix, full stop. He had filed the written statement and had consistently contested the claim for probate of the will in question.